Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix error MS-Windows-Store colon pure cache. The app didn't start in your Windows or computer. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that you need to perform is at the bottom search bar, please type for settings. The moment you have typed it, wait until a best match would appear, which is the settings, and go with open to continue. After that, you would be redirected to the settings application. You just have to wait until everything are set. Once you're here, you need to go with an option called system, which is being placed at the left side of the screen. Click on it or simply tap on it, scroll down and look for an option called troubleshoot. Tap that once again. And here you need to go with other troubleshooters. Afterwards, you would be able to see all of such, where here you need to look for Windows Store apps. Again, look for Windows Store apps. In case you have such, in my case, I don't have, but in your case, you have that in your laptop, click on Run. So let's say, for example, this is the Windows Store app. Click on Run, aligning to that, and run the troubleshooter. And definitely, it will fix your problem because mostly when you run the troubleshooters on a particular system or thing here, you would be able to fix the problem. Okay, so just have to complete the procedure, and there you have it. Okay, so this is the very first step that you can perform in order to fix your problem. The second step that you can do is at the bottom search bar, this time you need to type for PowerShell. The moment you have typed it, please go with the best match, which is Windows PowerShell system, and click on Run as Administrator. After your account control will ask you to say yes, proceed with yes, so that you would be able to open this window. Okay, so here you need to paste a command text, which I'll be including at the description box below. So simply copy for it, okay, and paste it here at the Windows PowerShell, then click on enter. So it will take some time, maybe 3 minutes or less than that. It would depend on your machine, okay? So just have to put a lot of patience with it and check if your problem has been fixed. But let's if it doesn't, then let's move on to our third step. Our third step would be at the bottom search bar again. You need to do a similar step, and that is to type for settings. Go with the best match, click on open to continue, and wait until you are being redirected here at the settings. Okay, so if you are here at the settings, you need to go with applications or apps, go with installed apps, and here you need to scroll down and look for Microsoft Store. Again, scroll down and look for Microsoft Store. In my case, I don't have such, but in your case, if you have, just have to click the three dots aligning to that. Okay, please click the three dots aligning to that. Go with advanced options. Here at I'm just stating you an example of the Microsoft Store application since I don't have, but in your case, if you have, then do the steps, okay? So just have to follow the steps. I'm just showing you an example. Then go with repair, okay? Click on repair. And the moment you have repaired it, close this window and check if your problem has been fixed, okay? The last step that you can do is at the bottom search bar, you need to type for wsreset.exe. Then a run command would appear. Go with run as administrator and wait until this would be done. Okay. So it will take some time, but definitely again, it will be worth it since it will help you to fix your problem. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.